What's up, all you classic car lovers? Look at this delivery. Look at this bad boy right here. Wow, a 50 Oldsmobile, a future Mick 88. Wow, I don't know anything about this. 37 Packard. Oh, a DeSoto, a 36 Airstream DeSoto. Holy smoke. There's Popo right here. A 1940 two-door. Split window on that. All the late 30s to early 60s, I don't know anything about. This is the classic car era instead of the hot rod era. 32 Ford Model 18. Another 18. Wow. Another one. 3 in a row. They look totally different. That's so cool. That one's got the jump seat. This one's got more of like a Model A, the long two-door style. Model A, 30. Look how big these Model A's are. The 5-window. They don't look like the hot rods that we make out of them. Convertible. Look how good is this 31 Model A. Isn't that great? You only see the hot rods. You'd never seen them in the original form. Look how monster this car is. This thing is massive. Oh, 23 Packard and a 20 Case Touring. Look at that, 3 rows of seats. Wow. That's so cool. These cars are so cool. I love looking at cars. Hopefully you guys love looking at cars too. That's why you follow the channel. Absolutely crazy cool. All right, you guys ready to go see some more cool rides? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. Share this with your friends. See you on the next Florida Car Show. What's up, all you pro street truck lovers? Look at this 56 F100. Look at that. Big block, big monster blower. Look at that tilt front. Scoop. How gorgeous is this truck? It's super nice, right? Super, super, super nice. Let's look inside over here. Custom cab right there, automatic. Look at this super, super soft seat, matching. Nice gauges. Look at this bed. Fatty fats, spinners on top. Wow, look at that big block. Look at that. Shocks. Crazy cool, right? Crazy, crazy, crazy cool. You want to see some more cool blown trucks? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow.